and kami nagbabalik muli. You are still watching Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, brought to you by Congressman Saldico and Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. And once again, we welcome you all sa ating venue sa Municipal Court ng
Sipokot,
Sipokot to witness the game between Lupi versus Team Nabwa. At ako nga pala ulit, si John Bachiller at your service.
And your partner, Angelo Espedosilia, bilang basketball analyst.
Yes, partner. Magandang gabi sa iyo, partner.
Magandang gabi,
Tayo
partner.
ulit nagbabalik sa ating laro para to cover the games between Lupi versus Nabwa. And partner, thoughts on these upcoming games?
Yan, very exciting, no, yung first game natin, partner. But this time, this is a battle between two balanced teams. So Nabwa, during their eliminations, showing their prowess on offense, on defense rather, while Lupi is highlighting good offense. So when two teams of this different caliber battle, no, it will often give a good and exciting matchup. So there will be a clash in strength, specifically on who will be dominant, no? The more offensive team or the defensive team. So several momentum swings ang i-expect natin dito. And of course, no, the battle of strategies at yung kailangan nilang idagdag, knowing that medyo malakas yung counterpart nila. So kailangan nilang hanapin yung X-factor na tinatawag sa basketball.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga, this game, especially sa Nabwa, this is their first game sa ating second round of eliminations. And syempre, hindi tayo makukumpleto sa ating panel kung wala ang ating nagagandaan at sexy courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, magandang gabi sa iyo.
Good evening once again sa ating mga napaka-poging commentator, Coach John and Coach Ajalo. At of course, good evening rin mga kasurog. You're still tuning in our second game for tonight between Team Lupi versus Team Nabwa para sa ikatlong araw ng quarterfinals. At muli, ako po si Jessamine Navales at makakasama niyo ko for this game. Now to give us a quick conversation are the coaches of Team Lupi and Nabwa, Coach Reggie Montesilio and Coach Ray Belen. Magandang gabi po, coaches. And for sure, napakaraming basketball fans ang nakatutok ngayon para abangan ang ipapakita nyo ngayong quarterfinal. So let's start to you, Coach Reggie. How does it feel po to have a one-win advantage?
Nakaka-boost ng confidence kasi nilagay namin ang sarili namin dito bilang underdog. Kahit top 1 kami sa District 1, maganda pa rin yung underdog kami kasi yung hunger. Sana madala namin yung ginawa namin last game dito. Mabigyan ng magandang laban, yung nabakat kami ang underdog at mapasaya ang mga nanonood.
Ayan, thank you for that, Coach. How about you, Coach? Can you share with us po some of your preparations considering that this is your first game for the quarterfinals?
First of all, I would like to thank yung Ako Bicol Cup, no? Tapos kay Congressman Saldico for giving us the opportunity to showcase our talents dito ng mga players namin. And then yung sa preparation naman, as we all know, nasa high moral yung Team Lupi for winning their first game against Milaor. So our plan is to stop yung transition offense nila and then get our rebounds, tapos we stick on our play. Ganun lang naman. Yung adjustment later on, depende kung anong bibigay ng laro ng Lupi.
Yan, good luck po, coaches, for Team Lupi and Team Nabwa. May gusto po ba kayong i-shoutout sa inyong mga supporters?
Gusto ko lang i-shoutout ang aming Mayor Gagay Matamarosa, Vice Mayor Noel Agravante, and Sangguniang Bayan, and Montesilio family, Riego family, way back sa Lupi, sa girlfriend ko, Kaisel, and sa mga co-teachers ko sa Cristo Elementary School, and lahat ng mga kamag-anak ng players namin sa barangay ng Lupi.
Ayan, thank you, Coach. How about you, Coach, na coming from Rinconada District pa?
Unang-una, gusto kong pasalamatan ang aming mayor, Mayor Sibulan. Tapos yung aming councilor, si Dr. Ladao. And then, shoutout ko na rin yung aking mga kaibigan, si Alex Blue, tapos si Nino Sigara sa Naga.
Ayan, thank you, coaches. At mga kasurog, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Libre lang na mapapanood ang game ng Lupi and Team Nabwa. Live na live dito sa Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. At sa mga malalayo naman, kagaya ng mga mula pa sa Rinconada District, don't worry, we are live at Ako Bicol Portales Facebook page, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
And maraming salamat, Jessa, sa ating update. And pag-usapan naman natin, partner, ang ating kasurug matchups for tonight. Partner, sino mga featured players natin, partner?
Alright, very interesting ang featured player natin. On the side of Lupi, we have Errol Layosa, no, with jersey number 9, and Francis Austin Redondo naman, no, also jersey number 9 sa team ng Nabwa. So si Errol Layosa, kung makita natin sa screen, no, he's very accurate. In fact, he sinks all the 2-point shots, no, gaining 100% accuracy in his inside the paint. On the other hand, he didn't attempted any 3-point shots, no, para siguradong 100% yung mga tira niya, and also the free throw. So this man is a king under the rim. However, on the other hand, no, the hustler Redondo, he's a well-balanced player, no, with a 53% shooting prowess on the 3-point line. No, that's a high percentage when it comes to shooting beyond the line. 27% inside and 67% on the free throw line. A well-balanced player. When it comes to their defensive prowess, medyo close yung offense at defense nila. Pero ito si Layosa, no, 20-point average at par with our previous matchup a while ago, Almario and Bare. So tingnan natin if this will make a difference in this particular battle, partner.
Yes, partner. Grabe, partner, ang mga averages ng ating mga featured players. And syempre, meron puntahan naman natin ang averages ng kupunan natin during the elimination rounds, partner.
And ito, no, as I was saying a while ago, Lupi is a team of attackers, no, with 62% inside the court. Pero seeing on the last game, hindi sila masyadong shooters, no, kasi 13% lang yung average nila on the 3-point line. However, on the other hand, comparing their assists, steals, and blocks, they are almost at par with each other. So kapanapanabik ang bakbakang ito, partner. So I think wag na nating patagalin pa, pero mukhang nakalimutan natin magpakilala kanina, or nagpakilala na ba tayo?
And partner, nagpakilala na tayo. And syempre, wag na nating patagalin to. Puntahan natin ang ating arena announcer para umpisa ng ating laro versus Lupi versus Nabwa.
Okay, JV, the floor is now yours.
Once again, marahay na banggi mga kasurog. This is still your day 37 ng Ako Bicol Podcast Renesur. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldico ng Ako Bicol Portales. Kakabang nakasurog pa. We welcome you once again inside the Municipal Covered Court of Sipokot for our final game matchups of our quarterfinals between Team Nabwa versus Team Lupi. For the starters, let's first start with Team Nabwa. Number 2, Eric Bernales. Number 9, Francis Redondo. Number 10, Paul Hermoso. Number 15, Christian Peron. And number 28, Drew Benitario Jr. Head coach of Team Nabwa is Mr. Mark Desai. And for the starters for Team Lupi, number 2, Ivan Inandana. Number 9, Errol Layosa. Number 13, Mark Panuelos. Number 15, Rex San Juan. And number 21, Moises Yama. The head coach will be is Mr. Dale Medina. And officials for this ball game are Richie, Ronnie Malinisa, Upper 1, Jose Moki, and Upper 2, Dennis Mendoza. This is your Ako Bicol Podcast Renesur Akito!
And we are back sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camera Resort, brought to you by Congressman Zaldico At ang ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. Good game is ahead for us. Team Lupi versus Team Nabwa.
Team Nabua now with a first ball possession but misses that with a miscommunication.
Yes,
That will be on Lupi's ball.
Yes, very uncharacteristic yung nangyari because these guards with the likes of Bernales is one of very steady point guards here in the Rinconada area.
I think nangangapa pa sila, partner. And the first minute of the game. And another one, but saves the day.
Ayan na, Bernales for 3. Irons it, rebound. And number 15. Number 15 na si San Juan. And he loses the ball but regains possession. Pero ayan na, yung mga Tagalupi. Ang ating featured player na si Layosa. Committed a turnover. Gives the ball to Redondo. Redondo, big man. Running down the floor, misses the shot. Rebound ni Panuelos. Ayan na si Layosa. Layosa against 2 defenders and 1 plus the foul.
And the crowd goes wild, partner.
Yes, partner, even if we are here sa Sipocot Municipal Covered Court, may mga fans na dinala ang Team Lupi just to join and cheer them para sa larong ito.
Tama.
Ayan.
And that shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay. A very good 2-point shot and 1. Completing the 3-point play, we have Aaron Layosa, ang ating kasurog matchup player of the game.
Ayan na, the score is 3-0. Lupi is up by 2 points and si Bernales swings the ball to Hermosa. Bernales fakes. Ayan na, si Veron inside shot for 2.
Meron, using his height advantage against the 3 smaller guards there inside. Now Lupi looking for revenge. Quick lob pass to Yaba. Yaba, no, ito yung tinagurian naming John Wick ng Lupi, no? Si Baba Yaba.
Tama ka dyan, very John Wick ng Lupi, pero still, he is a go-to, kumbaga energy guy dito. I've covered him several games, napansin ko sa kanya talaga yung energy niya from first quarter to fourth quarter, hindi nagbabago.
Tama, very consistent. Very accurate as well, no, sa kanyang mga tira. So tingnan natin kung mag-e-excel si Yaba on this particular.
Ayan na si Hermoso, swings the ball to Velitario. Velitario for 3, in and out. Rebound, nakuha ni Redondo. Redondo against Layosa, bumps. Redondo with a fall away. No good. Rebound by Velitario. And he was fouled. Grabe, partner, as early as first quarter talagang dikdikan at makbaka na ang larong ito.
And as we were saying, no, very good ang offensive rebound, no, ng Team Nabua. They were able to create 3 attempts on that particular sequence.
Yes, partner, pero good rebound on the part of Velitario. Grabe yung talon niya, partner. Talaga over the box outing na si Panuelos.
Yeah.
And Velitario.
Ikaw ba naman partner, no, with the skill of jumping plus yung sapatos na ibinigay ng ako Bicol Cup sa
yun
mga
naman,
players?
partner. Siguro, partner, talaga tama ka dyan. Factor na rin sa talon ang mga sapatos na binigay ng ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico. And syempre ng ako Bicol Party List. Si Layosa gives it up to Panuelos inside the paint for 2.
Napakagandang ball movement, no? They triangulated the passing. That shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Ayan na si Bernales again. Swings the ball to Hermoso. Hermoso gives the ball to Ayan na. Another turnover on the part of Nabua.
Yan, parang gustong mag-capitalize ni Beron, no, on his height on the paint. Pero medyo minalas.
Tama ka dyan. Ang front court ng Nabua City is mas malaki over sa mga taga-Lupi. And ayan na. One of the stars ng Lupi. Draining jumpers para sa kanyang team na si Layosa.
Layosa still true with the numbers.
Yes,
no?
tama dyan, partner. Ayoko na sanang batiin at baka magbintis pa siya sa ligang ito. Ayan na si Bernales. Waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to Hermoso for 3. Kabong!
Hermoso! Napakagandang shooting position. That shot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Ayan na si Yaba against Hermoso. Yaba sneaks in. Bigay kay Indanan. Layosa with the fake. Layosa attacks over. Grabe, partner, talaga ang intensity ng isang Layosa attacking the big man of Nabua.
And if you're studying Layosa, alam mo talagang he will attack. No, kaya kung gusto mo magbantay, huwag ka masyadong magbantay sa labas. Guard him inside. Pero
Yes.
mukhang hindi masaya sa tawag si Beron.
Yes, he is asking our girl referee. Yan, magigiting na referees natin.
And si Ma'am Rochelle Ponting, no?
Yes.
Very notable referee din along with Ref Inday.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan si Layosa. And still, walang bintes sa free throw line sa ating liga. And ayan na si Bernales.
Bernales communicating a play to Velitario.
Velitario Jr. sa baseline gives the ball to Bernales. Bernales with the in and out dribble gives it up to Hermoso. Behind the back dribble. What a pass, partner. Hermoso.
Alley-oop!
Hermoso to Velitario.
Usually sa PlayStation mo lang yun makikita, partner.
Yes, partner. And napailing ang ating writer na si Iris kung isusulat, di ba, sa ating top 10 plays of the week. Ayan na si Hermoso intercepting the pass.
Very good snatch on the part of Nabua.
Ayan na, San Juan drops it up to Panuelos. And he was fouled again. Grabe, partner, ang intensity. But I guess nasaktan. Hindi naman.
Nag-ayos lang ng sintas,
Nag-ayos.
partner.
Nag-ayos lang ng sintas. Ayan na, talaga yung intensity ng Lupi talaga.
In the very early game, no, Nabua is capitalizing on the height of the players. While this Lupi is securing their scores through passing the ball.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And sabi nga kanina ng mga coaches ng Nabua na talaga they are expecting Team Lupi to run and run talaga sa larong ito. And tingnan natin kung talagang yun ang mangyayari sa larong ito.
Tingnan natin kung makakahabol sa takbuhan itong Team Nabua. Pero very humble naman on the part of, speaking of coaches, no, on Team Lupi. Seeing that despite them being the number 1 in their district, feeling nila underdog sila sa larong ito.
Tama, they consider themselves underdog talaga sa mga nakapasok sa second round. Even yung mga fans talaga, sinasabi nila malakas ang Lupi dahil energetic and mabibilis. Pero sabi pa rin nila talaga na they are very underdog compared sa big teams na nakasali sa ating second round.
Tingnan natin, no, if but I think, no, in the first 4 minutes of the game, kitang-kita mo naman talaga nagyat-gitan ng bakbakan, no? A battle between the bursting team, no, and a team with physical advantage.
And partner, nakita ko dito sa ating venue, may pumasok na magigiting na pulis natin. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Salamat sa pag-secure sa ating mga players and syempre sa ating mga fans na nandito sa ating venue. Magandang gabi sa inyo, mga sir.
And kung makikita natin, Sir John, punong-puno ang venue natin. Wala lang maupuan sa mga bleachers. Punong-puno yung labas.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner.
Occupying the road.
Tama ka dyan. And talagang, partner, mind you, this is walang home team dito na naglalaro. But still, yung mga fans and yung mga nandito sa ating venue talagang sumusuporta pa rin sa laro ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Sabi nga yan, if not love for the game, love for the players.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Indanan with the in and out dribble. Kaso naagawan but recovers the ball. Drops it up to Indanan. Ayun na, Mintis. Nakuha.
Grabe, commendable ang hustle. First quarter pa lang pero nandun yung gigil ng ating mga players on both teams.
Ayan na, new guy from Nabua. And another turnover si Oquindo pinasa. Ayan na si Layosa. Layosa over Bernales. Layosa misses the shot. Oquindo grabs the rebound.
And yan, the samurai ponytail. Passes to the giant.
Grabe naman yung partner atake. But a miss. Indanan recovers the rebound. Ayan na si Layosa against Hermoso. Swings the ball to Yaba against Velitario. Yaba hesitates. Gives the ball to their leading scorer na si Layosa with the spin. Yaba attacking with the floater. And ayan na naman yung offensive rebound. But a sorry miss. Ayan na, steady point guard na si Eric Bernales.
Generating a play for his team. An alley-oop attempt once again, but no luck. Claiming his name to secure the point, we have Velitario Jr.
Grabe, partner, yung isang tapang din ng isang Velitario Jr. crashing the boards against those two power forwards ng Team Lupi. Ayan na si Layosa, gives the ball to Yaba.
And very difficult, no? It looks easy, the alley-oops.
Ayan na si
Tingnan muna natin
what
to.
a shot. Ayan na, Hermoso. And there is Oquindo with the offensive rebound but misses the shot. Ayan na si Layosa against Oquindo. But tumama sa paa ni Layosa and the ball will remain to Nabua.
Grabe ang hustle on both teams. So as I was saying, no, akala natin madali lang yung mga alley-oop attempts pero it needs timing, no, and connection between players. So hindi basta-basta yung mga ganong movements. A very daring shot.
Yes, partner, we have a substitution on the part of Nabua. Pinasok si Degamo over si Eric Bernales. Si Degamo din, a Spitfire guard talaga. He can shoot. Lights out. And si Velitario. Redondo, baseline jumper. No good. Ayan na, tap. Yaba is ahead against Redondo. Behind the back dribble pero naagawan. Redondo behind the back dribble again.
Napakagandang
with the drop step.
sayaw yun.
And napasuntok sa hangin ang ating writer na si Iris. And possible na mailista sa ating top 10 plays of the week. Ang Kasurog top 10 plays of the week. Yaba misses the 3-point shot.
Good rebound on Team Nabwa.
Belitario, Degamo rushes, Degamo up and under shot. And back-to-back points on the part of Nabwa.
Ito yung sinasabi natin in English, small but terrible, partner.
Yes, partner, pare, nag-iba yung tempo ng laro. Nung pinasok si Degamo, talaga he is running up and down the floor. And ayan si Degamo again with the
Degamo
ball.
once again.
And Degamo, ayan na, Degamo flies,
Like
drops it up to Hermosa. And 1 plus the foul.
What a dime drop on his teammate. Sulit na sulit si Degamo, no? Si Degamo is a very notable player in Gubat Sorsogon. So sulit na sulit ang
Ayan na si Hermo.
paglalaro niya dito.
What a drop pass kay Hermoso. And he was fouled by number 24 na si Orkin.
In our Bicol term, partner, meron din tayong tawag dyan. Sadit sana, pero lintian.
Oo, sadit pero malanit. Ayan na. Pero ayan na yung ating mga and ayan na si Councilor Juvie Osabal of Lupi is watching sa ating ball game. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, ma'am. And maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Maraming salamat
Thank you
po.
po, ma'am, no, for spending your precious time in supporting your municipality. We would like also to acknowledge our municipal councilor of Sipocot, Jay Villafuerte. So, good evening, Sir Jay Villafuerte. Happy
Yes.
viewing po sa inyo.
Magandang gabi po sa iyo, sir. And we are back sa ating up and down basketball talaga. Very exciting as early as first quarter. We have still 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating laro, partner. Pero talagang alam mo naman yung type of basketball na pinapakita ng both teams talaga very energetic.
Yes, and very competitive, no, showing their athleticism. So, tingnan natin kung makukumpleto ang 3-point play.
And
At yun na
Hermoso completes the 3-point play. And the score is 17
And that goes to
9
show, no,
in favor of Nabwa.
Kaya grabe yung respetong ibinigay ng coach ng Lupi kanina sa interview. Because Nabwa is a very strong team as well. Degamo once again with the ball. Snatching it away, trying to shake off 2 defenders. And a quick pass.
There is Orkin to intercept the pass. Pero good intention on the part of Degamo, finding his teammates for a possible 2-point shot. And a substitution on the part of Nabwa. Meron tayong bagong player, si Fulgar is inside. And ayan na si Layosa. 2 against 1. Ayan na, easy 2 on the part of Layosa.
Without hesitation, knowing that he can nail all shots inside the paint.
Ayan na si Fulgar is inserted by coach for possible firepower. And he is a product of Ateneo de Naga University. Ayan na si Fulgar, kicks it out to Hermoso for 3. Kaboom, wala. Ayan na. Orkin, outlets to Panuelos. Panuelos. And 1! Yun na nga, partner.
Makikita mo yung experience doon sa laro. No? Tinitingnan niya kung kaya niyang magpasabit.
Tama
and
doon, partner.
nagpasabit
Kumbaga
niya.
dati sa a veteran move on the part of Panuelos, waiting for the defense to commit. And nung dumikit, sabay hinarang ng konti ang balikat. Ayan na, partner. Sinasabi kong hinarang ng konti ang kanyang balikat. And finishing plus the foul.
Tama. And it takes courage, no? Because that's a risk. No? If kaya mong i-secure easily yung 2 points, why ask for more? Pero with experience and confidence, alam niya nga maibubuslo niya iyon with a foul. So aside from the bonus shot, that's a danger on the side of Nabwa as well, gaining 1 disadvantage for that particular foul. So 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time, and we already have 2-digit score for both teams. So kitang-kita nyo yung aggressive offense and defense ng magkabilang panig.
Kumbaga, this is a high-scoring ball game with 17 and 13 in favor of 17 lamang Nabwa. And Panuelos, tinatangka mabawasan ang kalamangan ng Nabwa, but misses the free throw. Ayan na si Oquindo. Grabs the rebound. Degamo gives the ball to Hermoso, instructing his teammates. Hermoso gives the ball to Degamo, swings the ball.
Good pass to the paint, but snatched by
Ayan na.
Team Lupi.
Ayan na si Panuelos, and he was called for steps. Sayang ng gigil, partner. Wala pa yung bola.
Oo,
Pero
parang gusto nang lumipad. Pero yan, there's much action and excitement with our audience. Tingnan natin ang report sa atin ng napakaganda nating courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, take it away.
It truly feels like quarterfinals na talaga, Coach John and Coach Panel. At kakasimula pa lang nga ng game, napakainit na agad ng bakbakan sa loob ng hardcourt as we are having a tight ball game. Talaga namang pinaghandaan ng Team Lupi at Team Nabwa ang game na ito at pinapatunayan nga nila na nararapat lang nakabilang sila sa bigatin. Pero sa pagkakataon nito, kasalukuyan ngang lamang ang Team Nabwa as they are focusing more on their defense as well as making sure to convert their shooting into score. That's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
Maraming salamat, Jessa, sa update. And syempre, yun na nga, talaga pinaghanda ng dalawang teams ito. Ayan na si Redondo with a reverse block by number 24 na si Orkin. Ayan na. Fulgar bumps kay San Juan and he loses the ball and the ball will go to Team Lupi.
Very commendable defense on the end of Lupi. No, preventing the man inside the rim. No? Both two men inside the rim.
And another player was filled in by coach ng Lupi and si Riego. Pinasok na and San Juan is attacking. Kicks it out to Riego. Riego against Bernales. Riego with the top of the key jumper. Wala. And Riego again.
And from downtown, rejected. But there was a foul called and Oquindo was asking for a replay pero the foul was already called.
Yes, si Panuelos will troop to the line for 3 free throws, I guess. And syempre kanina medyo may contact siguro na nakita ating mga referees kaya natawagan.
So tingnan natin.
Yun na nga, he is awarded 3 free throws kanina. Kasi sumabit siya, ngayon pala, dahil sumabit siya.
So this is an opportunity for Lupi to lessen the lead.
And Panuelos is still struggling sa free throw line, missing, I guess, his second free throw. And meron pa siyang dalawang free throws to regain his composure.
Yun yung kailangan nilang i-improve as a team, no? Their free throws.
Yan na, partner ha, pumalakpak ang mga kasama nilang fans, ng mga Tagalupi. Dahil naipasok ni Panuelos ang kanyang second free throw. And makes his third free throw. And we have a substitution again sa number 43. Na si Forton, pinasok, pinalitan si Panuelos. Well-deserved rest on the part of Panuelos.
And yan, medyo still frustrated pa rin ang bench ng Nabwa for that particular call. But the show must go on. So Digamo driving the ball to Fulgar.
Fulgar kicks it out. Bernales, a known shooter for 3. Mentes. Riego with that offensive rebound. Ayan na si Fulgar sa ilalim.
And very good quick succession dun. No? Hindi walang time mag-react yung Lupi sa bilis ng ball movement na ipinapakita ng mga tao sa ilalim ng team na Buwa.
And ayan na.
Fulgar will prove to the so-called charity line or charity stripe. Credits to Sir John for that particular term.
Hindi naman, narinig lang natin yan sa mga idol nating mga commentators sa Manila. And ayan na, misses the second free throw.
Yan, medyo na-challenge sila sa mga free shots.
Ayan na si Yaba with a floater using the glass. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Orkin. Ni Jesly Orkin. Kicks it out to number 30 na si Riego. Ayan na si Forton.
With a fadeaway shot, air ball.
Ayan na.
Nabwa with the ball.
Ayan
That's
na.
blocking foul on Forton.
Si Forton natawagan ng blocking foul.
We have 18 seconds remaining, so shot clock is off. Nabwa now has to utilize this time for the last possession of the first quarter. Tingnan natin if they'll increase their gap or i-stop sa 4 na puntos ang team Nabwa after this game.
Exactly 10 seconds remaining. Digamo is instructing one-on-one. And what a pass. Fulgar fakes. Fulgar attacks. Pumps. Oquindo misses the shot, and that ends our first quarter with a score of 15-19 in favor of Nabwa.
Yan, napakagandang bakbakan hatid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Cup at ni Congressman Zaldico. Sa mga taga-Sipokot po, maghanap na kayo ng pwesto kung gusto nyo mapanood ng live ang bakbakan dito sa inyong municipal covered court. Kung wala naman po kayo dito, mapapanood po tayo sa ating mga Facebook channel, sa channel ni Congressman Saldico, that's Rep. Zaldico, and ako, Bicol Online TV. Live na live po rin tayo sa YouTube channel ng Ako Bicol Cup 2023. So pa-like, pa-heart, and pa-share rather, and pa-subscribe. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bells kasi sunod-sunod na po ang ating quarterfinals. Eventually, we'll go to the semifinals and the final game for the best municipality or city in Camarines Sur.
Yan, tama ka dyan, partner. As you take a look, some highlights ng ating first quarter. Ayan na, yung instant quality minutes na binigay ni Digamo nung pinasok siya. Yung mga drop passes niya. And an end one opportunity para kay Hermoso. Siyempre, ang leading scorer ng Lupi na si Layoso is still talaga a force to be reckoned with pagdating sa ating larong ito.
And these highlights, partner, is of course brought to us by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, Highlands Hotel, Misibis Bay, and Hotel Venecia. So ang ating top scorers sa first quarter, we have Beron with 5 points and 1 steal on the side of Nabua, and Hermoso with 4 points and 1 assist. On the other hand, si Layosa with 7 points and 2 rebounds, 1 steal for Team Lupi. So tingnan natin kung sila pa rin ang maging dominant player sa ating second quarter.
Yan nga, partner. We are now sa ating second quarter, and biglang nag-text, nag-chat ang aking anak. Nanonood sila ng live ngayon. And magandang gabi sa inyo, anak. Thank you for watching. And yan si Rego attacking, and medyo hindi maganda. Natamaan ni Oquindo ang kanyang kakampi na si Beron, pero hope is okay. And yan, pinagpag lang, ganun partner, kakondisyon at kagagaling ang mga players natin ngayon.
Tama, no, regardless of what's happening inside the court, the show must go on. You have to be physically and mentally resilient in all these games. So shout out po sa ating magigiting na players for the Bigaten teams. That's a good gesture by our SBP referee, saying that the basket counts and a foul was also called.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, marami talaga nag-chat sa akin ngayon, partner, dito sa aking Facebook page na nanonood daw sila, and that chat was brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. And napaborito ng aking anak na si Juan Carlos and si Franco Miguel na makapunta dyan sa Misibis Bay na yan.
Yan, punta na rin po kayo, no? Lalong-lalo na ngayon na bakasyon.
Yes,
so,
tama
sulitin
ka
natin ang napakagandang island sa Misibis Bay.
Tama ka dyan, si Fulton.
Good interception by Team Nabua. Quick pass inside to Oquindo, but it was intercepted. Still, same ball will be rewarded. With 18 seconds to shoot, tingnan natin, no, on how they are able to convert this possession into a points.
Yan na si Bernales. Hands it off to Oquindo. Oquindo, corner 3, Mintes. Ayan na si number 17. Pinasok si End. Traveling on the part of Layosa. Good defense ng mga naka-blue. And by the way, sa ating late tuners, ako nga pala si John Bachiller, kasama ko ang aking partner na si
Angelo Espinosilia, at makakasama mo kami until the end of this game.
And yung mga taga-team Nabua donning the blue jersey. And Bernales, passes to Bernales. This is the shot. Ayan na. Riego all alone for 2.
At yung mga nakaputi naman, ang Team Lupi natin.
Yes, partner.
Ito na, 4 na lamang ang kalamangan
Ayan
ng
na.
Team Nabua.
Ayan, partner, yan na si Bernales. Gives the ball to his brother. Na si Bernales again. Bernales, yung patented na awkward shot pero hindi napasok. Ayan na. Ayan na ulit si Bernales. Secures the rebound. Bernales, Eric for 3.
From downtown, wala.
No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Beron.
Good hustle on the side of
Ayan
Nabua.
na si Orkin. Napunta. Riego again for 2.
Piece of cake layup. Acknowledging the good fast break created by Lupi.
And now the lead is just 2 points with ayan na ulit si Bernales for 3. Grabe, Bernales is struggling at the Rainbow Country. Ayan na ulit si Riego challenging Oquindo, and he was blocked.
Very good rejection on Oquindo, but loses the ball. But still recovered, but there's a whistle on the side. Tingnan natin, no? I think there was an action, off-ball action.
Yes, ang number Natawagan na.
17, I think, of Lupi was called si San Juan.
Number 17, Angelo Marcel.
Barcena.
Marcelo was called. Angelo Marcelo was called a foul. And sabay
Angelo
hawak.
Marcelo.
Sabay hawak sa kanyang may kulay na buhok. And
18 seconds to shoot.
Hermoso at the top of the key swings the ball to Bernales. Bernales for 3. And again, the Bernales brothers is struggling sa... Ayan na. Si Jesly Orkin is rushing. Orkin
It's a
gives the ball.
battle of bursting.
What a fake and one!
Foul! Napatayo ang ating mga audience.
Para kay number 15 na si Rex Aaron San Juan, who is a featured player din natin nung unang laro nila because he contributed most of the points ng mga taga Lupi, and that 3-point play is brought you by Hotel St. Ellis.
Napaganda. Kanina ko pa na-observe, Sir John. Kanina pa nagpapasabit itong Team Lupi.
Yung partner kaso na Mintes. And again, muntik na makuha ang 50-50 ball. Siya na si Hermoso with a crossover. Ganda. Belitario is inserted again. And si Bernales again. Bernales with a floater. And still, Bernales, Eric John is scoreless sa ating laro pa rin.
Grabe ang bibilis ng mga players on both teams. No, they are running coast to coast with less than 3 seconds. Hopefully, masustain nila ang gantong energy kasi draining din yung tumakbo back and forth while dribbling the ball.
Tama ka dyan, partner. The score is deadlock for 21 with 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
And with that, Nabua adding 1 point again to regain their confidence and their lead on this particular ball game. Tingnan natin kung mabubuslo pa itong pangalawa. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket by Team Nabua.
And then, partner, lamang na ulit ang Nabua ng 2 puntos. Layosa instructing his teammates. Binigay kay Riego for 3. Irons it. Rebound ni Bernales. Bernales ginugulo ni Riego. Bernales signaling. What a pass, partner, kay Beron. But a sorry miss on the part of Beron. Ayan na naman ang streaking Lupi. Riego gives the ball to Layosa. Flies.
What a shot! Even in awkward position, Layosa can sink and nail his baskets.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Oh, that is kumbaga yung upper body strength ng Layosa talaga is very evident on that sequence talaga kasi he was bumped but still he manages to finish the shot. And si Beron binawi kagad on the other hand.
Gitgitan talaga ang labanan, no? This is a seesaw of score. You can never know who will win this basketball game. So Layosa once again bounce past his teammate.
Yan na San Juan faking. San Juan against 2 defenders gives the ball to Marcel, and that is a very dangerous pass. Naagaw na nga. Ayan na si Bernales. Bernales serving the floor. Floater.
Walang
But
bantay.
still, he is struggling. Ayan na si
Layosa once again.
San Juan. Gives the
Layosa.
ball to Angelo.
Angelo.
Inte San Juan with the
San Juan. That's a deadlock once again.
Ayan na, partner. What a shot. We have a deadlock. And ayan na si Hermoso. Swings the ball to Fulcar. Medium range jumper. Mintis, what a tap. Galing kay kay Veron.
And with that, Nabua is gaining their lead again.
Ayan na si Riego. That tap was from Velitario pala. Ayan na si San Juan. San Juan gives the ball to Riego against Hermoso. Back pass kay Layosa. What a behind the back dribble and the spin. Grabe naman yung partner.
Napakagandang showcasing of ball handling ni Layosa and a good sportsmanship.
Grabe yung partner. Baka ulitin na ating direktor yan para makita natin kung gaano kaganda yung spin move. And yung ginawa pero sana hindi nasaktan si Hermoso. And ayan na, partner. And if you're free again, punta kayo dito sa ating game venue na napakaganda. And meron din tayong dito na mga nagbibenta or naglalako ng pagkain dito sa labas na nangangamoy sa ating game venue na napakabango.
Tama, napaka-enticing. Baka naman, pwede kaming abutan dito.
And syempre, at least pinunta ng Ako Bicol dito ang basketball. Nagkaroon din ng income ang ating mga vendors na nasa labas.
Tama,
For sure.
no? These are the surprise benefits of bringing the game.
Yes,
to the
tama ka
people.
dyan. Ayan na si Layosa. Against Bernales, may pick na galing kay San Juan. Ayan si Bernales. Loses the ball. Layosa again recovers. Gives the ball to San Juan. Grabe,
Nothing but
partner.
net.
Grabe, partner. Nothing but net on that shot ay San Juan.
Deadlock na naman tayo, Sir Jan. Grabing bakbakan ito. Ito naman si Bernales. Bounce pass. And the inside man, Beron.
Grabe si Beron. Very relaxed and calm pero talagang nananalasa para sa mga taga-team Nabua.
Tama, he imitated the shot of Lupi.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And sabay tawa. Ayan na, si Panuelos. Misses the elbow jumper. Ayan na again. Hermoso. Nangunguna si Beron pero naagaw ni Panuelos. San Juan.
And an opportunity once
Layosa.
again.
Swings the ball to Yaba. Challenge by Redondo for 2.
Yaba! The John Wick of Lupi. Another deadlock
Oo nga talaga, partner. The John Wick of Lupi.
with a killer shot, partner.
Yes, Bernales with the long 3. Kaboom! Yun ang partner.
Yun lang.
At last,
That shot is brought to you by the Highlands.
grabe talaga, partner. Eric John Bernales is a threat talaga. He is a court general pero si Layosa gustong gantihan. Iron set. Rebound ni Redondo.
Parang
2 against 2. Redondo flies with the lefty layup and scores.
napagandang utilization of his height and jump.
Grabe, partner. Big man who can dribble. And si Yaba against Bernales.
Looking for someone. San Juan. Layosa. Layosa attacking the 3 guards. A drop, a dime to the
Panuelos
side.
misses again. Ayun na si Bernales. Vilitario to Hermoso. Vilitario attacks. And he was hacked and fouled and will troop to the line for 2.
Napapalakpakan din, Sir Jan.
Oo nga.
Sayang, napagandang atake sana. Hindi lang pumasok.
Akala ko kasi makukomplete ni Vilitario ang layup na yon. And the score is 34-29 in favor of Nabua with 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Ayan, so maraming salamat once again no sa mga nanonood sa atin sa ating Facebook Live at sa ating live audience of course dito sa Municipal Covered Court of Sipocot. So gitgitan ang nakikita nating labanan on the end on the game no between Lupi and Nabua. Nabua traveling so far no while Lupi no at least closer to the venue, but this court is unfamiliar for both teams.
Yes,
So,
tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga walang advantage and walang sixth man. Kumbaga walang
audience no?
walang audience na mag-cheer. Pero sigurado ako nagdala ang both teams ng kanilang mga cheerers just to cheer them up and be inspired para sa larong ito.
Tama, no? Kasi it adds to the confidence. No? And of course, sometimes, kahit pagod ka na, pag naririnig mo yung hiyawan, parang may tumutulak sa'yo. Parang anime lang ba?
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Parang, kumbaga, never say the attitude. Kumbaga, parang barangay Hinebra na talagang lumalakas at gumagaling pag sini-cheer sila ng kanilang mga fans. Ayan na si Yaba, crossing the half-court line.
Yaba looking for someone.
Ayan na, Panuelos. Misses again. Panuelos is struggling on the floor. Ayan na si Bernales. Gives the ball to Militario. Beron nangunguna pero di niya nakita. Bernales. Hermoso. Corner 3. Misses the shot. And a new guy. Pinasok para sa Lupi. Si number 6 na si Andrew Ligtas. Fresh off the bench. Trying to contribute for his team.
Tingnan natin, no? If he will be the one to save the
Yes.
team.
Kung kaya niyang iligtas, pero yung pasa niligtas, hindi makakaligtas talaga yan kung puro turnovers ang ipapakita niya.
Napakagandang wordplay, Sir John.
Yun na nga, partner, medyo malamig pa. Fresh off the bench, and si Bernales again is entering the floor. Pinalitan si Hermoso, and now Bernales brothers are back dito sa ating laro.
Kailangan bumawi dito ni Ligtas kasi every possession is crucial on their
Ayan na si Bernales. Sabi ni Bernales, ako kaya kong iligtas ang Nabua with those rainbow shots.
And that's his second 3-point, I think, for this ball game.
Yes, partner, pati ako napipeke niya. Akala ko nagsisignal siya ng play and bigla niya lang niya tinitira.
The unpredictability of the player and the team.
Yes, and syempre, ang unpredictability ng ating liga kung sino ang mananalo at magkakamit ng kampyonato.
Tama. And Yaba, after attacking
What a
one
love
side,
pass kay Ligtas and Ligtas. Kumbaga, sabi ng mga tambay, yung mga words, boundary na tayo, partner, kasi coming off the bench, he scored 2 points.
Pwede na. Pwede na umuwi.
Oo, pwede
Pero
na.
of course, he would want to score more for
Yung
this
mga
game.
biruan nga ng ibang players na nakasali sa ating liga, pag nakascore, pwede na. Pang story sa kanilang Facebook and Instagram account. Yan natin, tinitingnan natin yung mga magaganda at poging mga nanonood sa ating venue. Kasama, siyempre, yung mga bata nanonood talaga.
Tama, no? To support their team, they even brought their kids. Eventually, ito yung magiging players
Ayan
in
na,
the near
si
future.
Veletario was fouled by Ligtas and trying to complete a 3-point play.
And with that, 2-digit lead na ulit ang Kalamangan.
Yes, di natin napansin. Talagang ayan na. Partner, unselfish basketball on the part of Nabua and si Ligtas. His second foul. What a pass. Grabe, partner. Ayun na nga, partner.
So Ligtas is becoming a double-edged sword.
Oo,
No?
yun na nga.
Scoring and fouling and losing the ball.
Ayan na si Layosa. Tumawid sa ating half-court line. May pick na binigay si Inindanan. In and out dribble. Kaso the Bernales brothers. Bernales with the floater 3.
Kakaibang tira yon. Kung pumasok sana yun, ililista na yan.
Ayan na, Bernales again for the 3. Mintis again. Pero partner, napatayo ako doon sa running floater 3 na pinakita ni Bernales. Ayan na si Bernales again for 3. No good.
Na maganda nga.
And,
Parang he's creating his own mark in this league, partner.
Yes, partner, napailing na lang kanyang kapatid. Kasi as of my count, he's missed, I guess, 6 3-pointers. Pero still, alam mo naman, partner, kung once a shooter talaga, sabi nga nila, is always a shooter talaga. Pero tingnan natin sa mga huling minuto ng ating laro kung talagang makapasok.
Tama, partner. Kahit nga si Pastor J.R. Arabaca na pa-message sa akin, no? Watching with his wife. No, sa napakagandang tira na binitawan kanina. So, shoutout po sa inyo.
Shoutout po sa iyo, sir. Yan na si Yaba. Floater. Yan na naman si Ligtas para iligtas ang possession ng Team Lupi and scores for 2.
Tama, kailangan niya i-cancel yung error niya eh.
Tama ka, partner, with 20 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Degamo wasting clock against the zone defense na pinapakita ng Lupi. Ayan na si Bernales again for 3 and misses again the shot. Inindan gives the ball. Ayan naman kasi what a pass. Grabe yun, partner.
Grabe, no look pass. Kung kumonekta sana yun, ililista naman yan ni Iris.
And ayan si Yaba sa ating free throw line for 2 shots and with 1 second, 1.2 second remaining sa ating first half. Yaba 6 the first one. Lamang pa rin ang Nabua 33-41.
Hindi nagustuhan ng coach ng Nabua yung foul na yun kasi wala ng oras.
Yes, rin Yaba, muntik na makuha ang kanyang tira. And that ends our first half with a score of 41-34. What an exciting first half for us, brother.
Yan, tama. At magbabalik tayo, Sir John, sa ating third quarter.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilinwan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadapulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Live na live pa rin tayo dito sa Municipal Court of Sipokot. Bakbakang Lupi versus Nabua with a score of 41-34. Still leading Team Nabua. Again, this basketball game is brought to you by none other than Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasarug pa. So once again, I am Angelo Espedicilia and with me.
And si John Bachiller at your service talaga. And yun na nga, nandito na tayo sa ating third quarter.
At ang ating mga top scorers sa ating second quarter, we have Velitario scoring 12 points and Beron 11 points for Team Nabua and Layosa for Team Lupi gaining 9 points in that encounter.
Pero partner, grabe talaga yung bilis na pinapakita. And a sorry miss on the part of San Juan. Pero yung bilis talaga, once they get those defensive rebounds, talagang tatakbo sila. And si Bernales misses the shot. Ayan na si Fortune with the power rebound. Outlets to Inandan with the lefty layup, scores for 2.
Grabe naman yun, dalawang gwardiya. Di na nag-antay, sinecure
Yan ang
yung
partner,
tira.
Inandan with the lefty layup and the haircut of a Korean.
Napagandang observation yun, no?
Nadala lang ako, partner, kasi nakita ko nung tumitira siya, hindi nagagalaw at pantay na pantay ang kanyang buhok. And the score is 36-41 in favor of Nabua.
Opa pala ito.
Yes, partner, Opa. Ayan na si Yaba against Bernales. Yaba is stacking, hesitates. Gives the ball to Fortune. Emergency pass, binigay. Fortune again, blocked by Velitario. With 6 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, pero naagaw ni Beron.
Very good defense on the side of Nabua. Redondo now attacking the paint using his advantage.
Grabe, very fearless ang drive na ipinakita. Ayan na si Fortune using the glass but misses the shot.
But there was a foul called. Sayang ng breakthrough and fast break.
Grabe, partner, kita mo sa hiyawan at sigawan ng mga tao, hindi na natin narinig na may violation na palang tinawag ang ating referees.
Credit sa ating mga audience na full support, no, sa team nila na dumayo pa dito. And of course, no, the people from Sipokot as well.
Yes, tama ka dyan, si Fulgar. Attacking San Juan, gives the ball to Redondo. Long 2, misses the shot. Fortune, ayan na. Belitario Jr., baseline jumper. Mintis, nakuha ni Inandan, gives the ball to Yaba. Ayan na naman ang white shirts.
Yaba with a good dribble.
What a love pass, ayan na. San Juan operating inside, blocked by Velitario.
Consecutive blocks made by Nabua. But there was an offensive foul on the off ball there.
Sinasabi ng coach ng Nabua na Yaba committed a flopping. Pero di na itawag ng ating mga referee. So turnover, natawagan ng offensive foul si Bulgar. And bola mapupunta sa mga Tagalupi.
Ito na, I think si Redondo, partner, yung nag-commit ng offensive.
Ay, si Redondo pala. Ayan na si Yaba against Bernales. May pick. Yaba for 3. Irons at rebound ni Velitario.
Velitario securing the ball. Redondo. Bernales, your favorite three-pointer. That shot is brought to you by Pesimis Bay, Cagraray Island.
Napapalakpak ang kanyang kapatid because he saves the day for his brother na hindi pa nakakabuslo kanina. What a dribble exhibition on the part of Layosa over. Oh my God, ayan na si Fulgar. Fulgar gives it up to San Juan, kicks it out. Angelo was blocked. Ayan na si Bernales.
Grabe yung defensive rebound.
Drops it up to Redondo. But a sorry miss. Ayun ang partner. Layosa. What a good defense on the part. But Yaba recovers the ball. Pero andyan si Bernales.
Mukhang sana.
Grabe naman partner yung hustle at depensa na pinapakita ng isang Eric John Bernales. And meron tayong update sa ating courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jalo. This is ended an evenly matched by Team Lupi and Nabua having their own style of play. But at this point, the momentum is on Team Nabua that maximizes well their height advantage. Kaya naman kontrolado nila ang bola. However, Team Lupi remains determined and keep hustling the game. As we can see, Team Lupi is really active and using well their skills. As of the first half, rushing the ball game nga ang nagiging strategy ng team na ito. That's why it's too early to determine kung sino ang mananalo for this game at napakarami pa ng posibleng mangyari. So that's the latest from the courtside. Back to you, Coach John and Coach Jalo.
Yan, maraming salamat, Jessa, sa update. Yun na nga, partner. And we are back with 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the third quarter. The score is 44-36 in favor of Nabwa. And si Fulgar fakes. Fulgar, what a strong move on the part of Fulgar.
Tama, and they moved the ball very well.
And ayun na, partner, medyo
Dalawang fast break na yun.
sayang, oo, hindi lang na-complete. Bernales again, lobs it up to Velitario.
With a no-look pass!
And sabay napasuntok talaga ang ating writer. And for sure, malilista sa ating kasurog top 10 plays of the week.
That shot was brought to you by, of course, Hotel St. Elise, partner.
And again, nahuli si Velitario. And yun na nga, he was caught na foul. And
number 28,
substitution on the part of Lupi. Si 24, pinasok si Orkin Jesli. Pinalitan si Opa Indanan.
Opa Indanan. Magandang description. Mukhang magtatagal ito until the end of the quarterfinals and eventually kung makapasok sila sa semis.
Yes, a new guy from Nabwa. Pinasok si Alcomendas. Ating power sa backcourt. Ayun na nga, pinakita kagad. Alcomendas with a good defensive stop. Redondo, muntik nang sumabay sa taas si Orkin nung pag-atake ni Redondo and he was fouled. And hindi pa in the penalty situation, so it's just
And Nabwa is now with a 12-point lead, no? And 5 minutes and 43 seconds remaining time sa third quarter. Kanina, dumikit na yung Team Lupi. Pero medyo lumobo yung kalamangan ng Team Nabwa.
Ayan na si Bernales, airball. And ayan na si Riego. 2 against 1. Riego drops it up to Orkin for 2. Yun na nga, partner. Sinuguro na. Sabi ni Riego, ay papasa ko na lang to kasi I'm struggling sa fast break. Ayan na si Fulgar.
Fulgar driving. Quick pass inside but snatched by Lupi.
Ayan na si Riego again and he was fouled by Eric Jan Bernales, and I guess that is a act of shooting. And 2 free throws for yung nagkakawayang mga fans natin sa ating venue.
Mukhang galing pa sa trabaho sila, sir, no? May bag pa. Pero thank you for watching the live game here in the Simpocot Municipal Covered Court. Of course, this is brought to you by none other than Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Again, no, ang mga teams po na napapanood natin ngayon are the Bigat 10.
Yes,
meaning these are the top 10 that entered our quarterfinals, our second round.
Yes, tama. These are the top 10 teams na pumasok sa ating second round. And syempre, kumbaga top 2 teams ng each district ang nag-advance. And syempre, eyeing for the prestigious first ever Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Champion.
Tama, no? Napaka-prestihiyosong titulo sa napaka-prestihiyosong liga na hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List and ni Congressman Zaldico.
Yes, yun yung partner. Riego is in the line. Misses the first one and syempre, meron tayong ibang way para manood kung wala kayo dito sa ating venue. Pwede tayong manood sa ating
mga Facebook channels, no? We have live sa Ako Online, Ako Bicol Online TV. Live din tayo sa Facebook page ni Congressman Representative Zaldico at lalong-lalo na mas malinaw sa Ako Bicol Cup 2023 YouTube channel. So like, share, and subscribe. Ito na, si Digamo driving the ball. Lob pass to the side and under.
Redondo with the semi-hook. Mintis, Redondo secures the rebound again and
that's good defense on the side of Lupi. Using numbers against the height of Redondo.
Tama ka dyan, si Redondo is asking for a foul pero talagang he's talking to the referees pero wala. Di siya natawagan. Redondo with the baseline inbound. Binigay kay Digamo. Digamo again. Digamo with the fake pass pero Ayan na si Orkin. 3 against 1. Riego using the glass for 2.
Napagandang spin and release yun.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And ayan si Degamo. Instructing his teammates with a crossover. Degamo. Stop and flop. Fake. Swings the ball to Fulgar. Fulgar kicks it out. Alcomendas attacking. Alcomendas with a teardrop. Mintis. Fulgar with the offensive rebound.
Napakataas tumalon ng Nabwa, pero it was snatched away by Lupi.
Ayan na si Yaba, muntik ng maagawan ni Redondo. Grabe, partner. Si Redondo guarding the guards. Ayan na Yaba with a crossover, pero andyan pa rin si Redondo. Kicks it out to Angelo.
Tama, usually the guard.
With 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Tumira. Bintis ang 3 points na binitawan. Orkin, and the ball will go to Nabwa.
Good observation, no, Sir John. Common na makikita natin yung mga big man, nasa ilalim sila. But Redondo is guarding the guards. Ito na yung sagot sa question na who will guard the guards.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And syempre kanina napansin natin, kumbaga, he is a big man who can bring down the ball talaga. Kaya very agile, kumbaga stretch big man o guards itong si Redondo.
Tama, with experience.
Sobra. I've heard na he is a player of Kamsur Express. What a fake ni Orkin. But misses the shot. And mabalik tayo na si Redondo is ang player nga ng Kamsur Express alongside with dati Iriga City Oracles sa si Bernales. And talagang they have the experience coming here sa ating tournament.
And that goes to show, no, that this league is composed of the best of the best players.
Partner, siyempre best of the best ang ibibigay din ng ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico, and siyempre ng Ako Bicol Party List. Ayan na si Layosa again with the strip, and grabe, partner, ang energy lang pinapakita ng isang Layosa.
Well, that was a good foul on Digamo, but I think the crew chief is signaling referee's review kung ano yung nangyari dun sa sequence na yon. Tingnan natin if the ball will be awarded to Lupi or will it be hand over to Team Nabwa. So again, our referees are the elite referees of the SBP. And with that, no, walang nakapansin man lang. Single digit na ulit ang kalamangan ng Nabwa against Lupi. To be exact, that is only a 7-point lead on the third quarter. So tingnan natin kung mahabol. And the call was correct. Lupi will be rewarded with the basketball. But still, no, commendable yung foul doon ni Digamo kasi walang guard sa kabilang court. That should have been an easy 2 points kung hindi yun na i-foul ni Digamo.
Upon review, called foul on number 1 of Nabwa.
So tingnan natin what will be the strategy of Team Lupi as they have their ball possession. No, are they going to lessen the lead, no, with Layosa generating a play for his team, utilizing the screen, but still guarded. Drive, shakes off his defender by spinning, yet rejected!
Yeah, grabe, partner. Ayan na si Oquindo, but a sorry miss, partner. Grabe yung sequence yan. Ayan na si Orkin with a crossover, drops it up to Layosa and finishes the 2 points.
Layosa reclaiming his name after that rejection. That shot was brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
And again, a sorry miss again on the part of Oquindo.
The samurai here is missing his slashes.
Layosa bumps Layosa, but just Lee Orkin with offensive. San Juan with the fake. And the shot!
Napakagandang tira!
And the crowd goes wild after that shot. Grabe naman, partner. And the lead now is 3 points only with 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
And that's a 3-0 run. Tingnan natin kung mabibreak ang momentum ng Nabwa.
And ayan na. Baseline jumper. Mintis. Galing kay Tortoles. Ayan na si Orkin. Orkin against Redondo. Swings the ball to Layosa. Layosa fakes against Degamo. Layosa gives the ball to San Juan. Free throw jumper. Misses the shot.
Literally, at the edge of the seat ang ating mga Team Lupi. So tingnan natin, Digamo still trying to break the momentum by creating a play to make their shot after the 3-0 run. Digamo fires a missile. No good, rebounded by jersey number 7. That's Alcomendas. Napakagandang tira. Ito naman ang Lupi trying to slow down after the momentum was broken. generating now a sequence once again. And ito na yung parang psychological warfare. Pag tumira ng 3, titira din ng 3 yung kalaban. Digamo with his good ball handling. Pass to the Samurai! And this time, he nailed it after 3 attempts.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Sa wakas, pumasok na rin ang baseline shot na binitawan ni Orkin. Ayan na si Layosa again against, what a defense. Ayan na, Digamo is all alone. Fly scores for 2.
Digamo!
Easy layup made by Digamo.
And the lead again is ballooned to 9 points. And na si Riego. What a floater. Grabe yung partner ang pinapakita. Coming off the bench, a spark plug para sa mga taga-Team Lupi.
Hindi sila magpapaiwan sa larong ito. We have seconds to play for the third period. Tingnan natin ang sequence and the play na gagawin ng Nabwa. Redondo, far sa perimeter shot. No good, rebounded his own shot to reclaim his glory. Redondo showing his experience as a veteran player.
Yes, tama dyan, partner. Talaga showing his might sa loob ng court. Ayan na, defending the guards. Ayan na si Orkin against Oquindo. Jesly Orkin nahihirapan. Lobs it up to Layosa. Layosa against Tortoles, inserting his will. Grabe naman yung partner talaga. Ayan na. With 8 seconds remaining, Digamo loses the ball. San Juan is rushing, stops and pops for 3. In and out. Sayang nun, partner. What an exciting third quarter for us, partner.
But still, napagandang laro ang ipinakita ng both teams after the 3-0 run. No, with a score of 56-49, Lupi was recovering and eventually Nabwa says no. Binigyan lang namin kayo ng breathing chance pero babawiin rin namin sa inyo agad.
Grabe, partner, yung crowd na meron tayo dito enjoying the game na Nabwa versus Lupi. And syempre marami din tayong nanonood sa ating Facebook Live na talagang nag-chat pa sa akin ang aking mga kaibigan na batiin ko. Nanonood si Ma'am Raquel. Hi sa inyo, hi sa iyo ma'am. Tama ng stargazing at manood ka na lang ng live sa ating Facebook.
Yan. Shoutout po sa inyo ma'am. Shoutout ko na rin ang aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Cararay, Naga City. Johnny, King, Mark, George, and Gerald, and Ekok. Happy watching po sa inyo. Lagi silang nanonood dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Happy watching and maraming salamat na inabot na ng ating magiting na kaibigan na si Aldrin Lasibal. Inabot na ang stats para sa ating laro. Leading the scorers for the team Nabwa is Militario with 14 points, 6 rebounds and 2 assists. And si Biron meron din 11 points. And on the part of Lupi, siyempre, usual suspects, the all-around, the leading scorer of Team Lupi na si Ero Layosa, who scored 13 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist and 2 steals. Very all-around ball game on the part of Layosa. And partner, wala pa dyan yung mga hindi nakikita sa ating stat sheets. Kumbaga, yung sipag at yung hustle na pinapakita ng isang Errol Layosa.
Tama. And of course, basketball is a multifaceted game. So yung mga suporta ng kanilang ka-team should be commended as well.
And Riego open up the fourth quarter with a 3-point pump. And the lead is now up to 4 points, partner.
Tama. Plus with a smile after doing that shot. Nakaka-excite talaga, Sir Jan.
Ayan na si Redondo attacking. Misses the shot. Orkin with the rebound. Ayan na, Lupi is rushing. Outlets to Layosa, flies, and scores for 2!
And the crowd is waving their t-shirt, their lights, and everyone is standing.
And the crowd goes wild. Ayan na, partner. Ayan na, medyo nagiging tight ang depensa. Ayan na, San Juan. Almost a steal. Tortoles. And a much-needed score on the part of Nabwa to end the streak of Lupi.
Because Lupi now, nagbabaga. They're on the hot streak. Tingnan natin kung mauklose nila yung gap. Layosa fires a 3.
But air balls, kumbaga, it's a heat check on the part of Ero Layosa, trying to convince the crowd na talagang to cheer them up.
So here's Nabwa signaling that they should play slowly because Layosa and Team Lupi is capitalizing on their errors by bursting from coast to coast. Now, Oquindo fires from downtown. No good. Redondo against the guard. Nails it by using the board.
Redondo.
Nabwa showing their dominance in and outside the court. Layosa now dribbles.
Ayan na si Riego attacking the baseline against Oquindo. Passes to San Juan with a spin. Short jumper for 2. And ayan ang partner talaga. Yung sixth man ng Team Lupi na dinala nila dito. Working wonders for them. Ayan na si Beletario. Muntik lang mabitawan ng bola. Redondo with a floater using the glass for 2.
Grabe naman yun. Against 5 defenders. Redondo nailing his shot. Now Layosa, dribbles, attacking. Shakes off his guard but the whistle was blown there. Good call by one of our referees.
Substitution.
So they have to give their all, Sir Jan, because this is already the fourth and final quarter of the match with less than 8 minutes remaining and 8 points advantage ng
Tama
Nabua.
ka dyan, partner. Ayan na si Orkin against Bernales. Orkin for 3. Iron set, nakuha ni Beletario ang bola. Pero ginugulo ni Riego and Beletario. Bernales against San Juan. Bernales, what a pass! Galing kay Bernales, papunta kay Fulgar for 2.
Yan pala yung 8 points. Kanina 6 points lang. It's time to be corrected.
Ayan na si San Juan. Top of the key 3. Swings to Riego for 3. No good. Rebound ni Beletario. And gives the ball to their court general na si Eric Jan Bernales para magtimon. And ubusin ang oras dahil pabor sa kanila. Fulgar for 3. Fortune with rebound and a bad pass on the part of Lupi.
Sayang nung pasa na yun.
Yun na, Orkin again with the rebound. Outlets to Riego. Riego against 2 defenders. Binigay kay Layosa. Fakes. Layosa. Attack. Swings the ball to Riego for 3. No good. Rebound by San Juan. And the crowd goes wild for that sequence.
Grabe ang hustle na ipinapakita ng Team Lupi. If they cannot penetrate the paint, they will give it to the outside. If they can shoot from the outside, they will again attack the rim. Kitang-kita dito sa replay ang pagpasa for an open 3. But of course, securing an opportunity for a second or third attempt. Napakagandang sequence ito ng Lupi and ng team Nabua as well. So yan. Again, no, salamat sa ating mga nanonood. Hindi man namin kayo ma-shoutout isa-isa. Thank you for staying and tuning in with us. This game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Cup, Ako Bicol Party List, and the Congressman Saldico. So bringing the game to the different municipalities of Kamsur. Ito na, sa natitirang 6 at 50 segundo ng laro.
Grabe yung partner, napakalalim na yung Tagalog kanina. And yun na nga partner with 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter talaga. Si San Juan nasa free throw line para tapyasan ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Nabua. Yan na, San Juan makes the free throw. Yan na partner. It is just a 5-point lead with 6 minutes pa ang nalalabi sa ating laro.
Tingnan natin kung anong instruction ang ibinigay sa Nabua.
Yan na si Bernales signaling a play. Gives the ball to Veron against Orkin. Kicks it out to Fulgar. Fulgar lumapit using the glass but misses the shot. Ayan na naman si Layosa. Gives the ball to Yaba. Yaba intercepted pero andyan si Orkin. What a pass partner but a sorry miss. And ayan again, Bernales secures the rebound. Nagmamadali.
Bernales. Pass to the man inside. Pushes forward and pushes hard. Straight into the basket. That's Veron of Nabua.
Grabe naman partner. Yung banggaan ng mga bigs sa ilalim. And syempre, that beautiful shot is made by Veron. Ayan na si Layosa. Swings the ball to Fortune against Fulgar. Fortune and same ball with 8 seconds remaining sa ating shot clock.
Good defense ang ipinapakita ng Team Nabua.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan si Orkin with the knockout play. And what a pass. Galing sa kanilang big man. Papunta sa kanilang scoring guard na si Orkin. And he was hacked and will troop to the line for 2.
Batak na batak ang ating mga players sa mga pasa nila, no? Kung hindi behind the back pass, mga no-look pass or drop pass ang kanilang pinakakawalan.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, partner. Halos papasok na tayo sa ating Twilight Zone with 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Nabwa is on the lead with 7 points.
And yan, no, this could be anybody's ball game. Kaya kapit lang tayo at abangan kung sino mananalo sa mga nahuhuling, sa mga huling natitirang minuto ng laro.
Ayan ang partner, si Belitario. He is guarded by Layosa. Grabe partner ni Layosa yung intensity. At galaw ni Layosa since the first quarter up to now. Talagang hindi pa nagbabago. Redondo with a free throw jumper. Misses the shot. Ayun na naman ang binabanggit natin si Layosa. But naaagawan ni Eric Bernales.
And now Redondo with a Euro step.
Grabe partner yung sequence kanina. Si Bernales pa, alam mo, pa konti-konti lang galaw pero he's very defensive-oriented guard pa rin talaga.
Napakagandang laruan, no, ng magkabilang panig. Layosa, no, trying to be good in both offense and defense. And Redondo now, after losing or missing his first shot, reclaims his glory by attacking the paint, but loses again an opportunity because of that foul. So he has to secure 2 shots, no, for Team Nabwa to again, no, regain a considerable amount of lead. Kasi kanina, no, 2-digit na yung kalamangan nila and it was stripped away and cut into a single digit. And then again.
Pero partner, kinugulo ng mga fans sa Tagalupi, si Redondo. And Redondo calmly sinks the first one talaga. Kumbaga is veteran yung mga partner. Ayan, talagang yung 6th man, yung crowd ng Lupi talagang joining their team. Ayan na, si Redondo calmly sinks 2 free throws. Sabi ni Redondo, partner, wala tong pressure na to.
Tama, kahit kumbaga gumagamit na ng ipinagbabawal na technique ng Lupi.
Ayan na si Layosa against Belitario. Drops it up to Forton. Forton, baseline jumper. Short. Rebound, nakuha ni Orkin. Natapik ni Bernales with 13 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. The score is 68-60 in favor of Nabwa.
Tingnan natin, no, if they will convert this possession into a point despite the strong guards of Nabwa.
Sayang partner, hindi lang nasalo ni Jesly Orkin yung bola. Pero sayang. A turnover with exactly 5 minutes remaining sa ating 4th quarter.
And yeah, no, as I was asking around during the eliminations, kailangan 2-digit lead, no, para medyo comfortable ka to kill the time. So I think Nabwa will still try to attack to increase their lead.
Belitario open for 3. Misses the shot. Ayan ang San Juan grabs the rebound. San Juan gives the ball to Forton. Forton against Redondo. Muntik na maagawan. San Juan with a fake. San Juan with a spin up and under. Loses the ball. Gives the ball to Orkin. What a pass by Orkin to San Juan but misses the shot.
Ito na, napakagandang ball movement and movement as well ng Lupi pero hindi nako-convert into points. Now Nabwa.
And that is Eric Jan Bernales for you. Wasting clock, involving his teammates. And fishing for a foul but dinatawagan si Redondo again as attacking and was blocked pero natawagan ng foul ang mga Tagalupi.
Nabwa now is capitalizing on the height advantage of their players, attacking and penetrating the inside of the line. No? They're trying to slash the guards by giving the ball and handing the ball to their big man so that the other team, no, will commit several fouls. Ito na. Mukhang umepekto ang boses ng 6th man and he was a little mad there as he passed the ball back to the referee. So, ito yung difficulty din ng basketball minsan, no? If you let the audience get to you. But being a professional, parang wala naman yung epekto sa kanya.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga, yung mga fans na yan are there to disrupt talaga kung anong para sa mga team. Ayan na si Yaba against Redondo. Spins. Yaba heavily guarded by Redondo. And what a save. Ayan na si Redondo. Diving for the ball. Inandan gives the ball to Forton. But passes outside in. Yun na. Dumive sa sahig si Orkin. Ayan na si Bernales. Swings the ball to Eric Jan Bernales with the medium range jumper. In and out. Ayan na si Layosa.
And this is what you call an organized basketball partner. Grabe yung ball movements nila. So ito na, Layosa asking for a screen.
What a crossover partner. Stops and pops for two.
Napagandang tira ni Layosa.
Grabe naman yung partner. And the lead is still 6 point but still very manageable on the part of Lupi.
Tingnan natin sa mga nanonood sa live natin. No, wag po kayong kukurap. Kasi pwedeng magbago ang laro anumang oras.
And Bernales again misses the 3-point shot. Ayun na si Yaba. Orkin against Bernales. Orkin attacks using the glass for two.
And that calls for a timeout. That shot is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Napakagandang run ang ginawa ng Lupi doon. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawing adjustments ng team na Buwa.
Tama, partner. And we have a ball game, partner. Kanina, it's a 10-point lead. Now, the lead is now down to 4 points with just 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Napakagandang bakbakan, no? Parang yung laro lang kanina ng Team Naga versus Team Milaor. Again, no, ladies and gentlemen, these teams playing here are the Bigat 10. Meaning these are the top 10, eliminating 26 other teams. And take note, no, hindi yung basta-bastang team, yung 26 na natanggal. Meaning these players are the extraordinary one. Eto na, mga kaibigan, sa natitirang 2 minuto at 48 seconds ng ating laro. Tingnan natin kung magbabago ang ihip ng hangin dito sa Municipal Covered Court ng Sipokot. Nabuwa leading from the very beginning, and then Lupi na naghahabol. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi sila with this Nabua's basketball.
Ayan na, we are back with 68-64 lamang ang Nabua. Ayan na, Bernales directing traffic, gives the ball to Fulgar, swings the ball to Redondo with a baseline jumper, misses the shot, and ayan na, Inandan is rushing. Inandan drops it up to Orkin for two, but misses the shot. And sayang, but the possession will remain to Team Lupi.
That was a costly mistake na patayutin si Councilor. Oh, ang gigil na gigil. Dala tayo sa laro.
Mga partner, pati yung signal ng referee, nadala ako. Nakatingin sa side ng Nabua, pero yung kamay mapupunta sa mga taga-Lupi.
Ayan, kailangan na bawat possession ma-secure ng Team Lupi for them to cut the lead of this Team Nabua that has been dominating the game ever since the first quarter.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kumbaga, yung as early as first quarter talaga nag-dictate na ng tempo yung Nabua. But still, kudos to Team Lupi talaga for just sticking to their game plan and talagang hindi sila lumalayo sa Nabua.
Tama, and you have to commend the defensive and offensive rebounds of Team Lupi. No, because of the height disadvantage, they capitalizes on their jumping ability.
Tama.
No, kahit kanina pa silang first quarter, talon lang sila ng talon as if the shoes given to them by Ako Bicol Cup has springs in it.
Tama ka dyan. And syempre, kumbaga, yung gang rebounding on the part of Lupi talaga is very evident sa larong ito.
17 seconds.
Ito na, kung convert ng Lupi.
Ayan na, Lupi inbounding the ball, gives to San Juan. San Juan for three. Misses the shot, but there is Orkin with the rebound. With a baseline jumper for two.
Napakagandang tira, ginuswap sa kadon.
And the crowd goes wild again. It's just a 2-point lead on the part of Nabua. And we are hearing the crowd roar as they chant for their Team Lupi.
Mukhang maririnig na natin dito ang mahiwagang defense. And a pass to inside, Redondo.
And another turnover in the part of Nabua. Orkin is rushing. Orkin, but stolen by Eric Jan Bernales and lobs it up to Redondo for two, but misses the shot.
Very costly mistake on the side of Nabua. Now, Yaba with a jumper! 2 points!
And that ties the ball game. And that shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi.
Kita ng labanan, mga kaibigan. Huwag kayong kukurap. Pati ang mga audience natin dito nakatayo.
And the crowd goes on. Bernales with a Hail Mary 3. Airballs it. And the possession will go to Lupi.
This is a miracle possession for Team Lupi. An opportunity to gain an advantage after several minutes of this game. So kapit mga kaibigan, sa mga taga-Team Lupi na nanonood sa Facebook at YouTube, itaas nyo na ang inyong mga kamay. Tingnan natin kung makakabuslo ng puntos itong Team Lupi.
Ayan na si Layosa. Given the pick, may nagdan. Layosa against Fulgar. Layosa is attacking. Behind the back dribble. Stolen by Belitario. Grabe, good defense on the part of Nabua. Ayan na Bernales. Gives the ball to Belitario. Attacking the defense of Lupi. But misses the shot. Ayan na naman. And the goal goes to Lupi with 1 minute and 1 second remaining sa ating fourth quarter.
And that motion of the referee gives hope to the crowd. At lahat nakatayo na ang audience natin dito sa Team Lupi. Mukhang kinakabahan na mga supporters ng Team Nabua, Sir John.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga sabi nga ng ating ibang anchors, ng mga idol sa ating ibang liga, sabi nga, if you don't like that, you don't like Ako Bicol Cup basketball, eto na yon.
Grabe. Kahit ako, speechless ako dun sa nangyaring run. Kanina, I think it was already predicted that Nabua will continue with their insurmountable lead. Pero slowly, the prey are now becoming the predators of this ecosystem.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Siyempre, kanina, yun na nga, partner. Mapupunta sa Lupi ang bola with 1 minute and 1 second remaining.
Tingnan natin, kapit lang kayo mga kaibigan. Kung may kumakain sa inyo, huwag nyo munang isubo. Kasi ito na ang natitirang 1 minuto ng laro ng Team Nabua versus Team Lupi.
And again, partner, ang possession mapupunta sa mga taga-Lupi. And ayun na, meron tayong pressure na ina-apply ang taga-Nabua. Heavily guarded na si Layosa. And na si Yaba. Crossing the half-court line. Yaba attacking. Stolen. Grabe naman, partner. Ayan na again. Orkin with another steal. Orkin lobs it up to San Juan. Fakes. Alder goes stop. Misses the shot. Orkin with the baseline jumper. Misses the shot.
Loses the ball.
And Fulgar secures the rebound with 39 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. And we are tied sa 68.
Probably the last possession for both teams. So tingnan natin who will gain the advantage. 31 seconds remaining time. Again, this exciting ball game is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurug pa. Walang kukurap mga kaibigan. Everyone is at the edge of their seats on this final seconds of the match.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Walang kukurap talaga. Dahil and meron tayong coaches challenge na request ng the side of Lupi. And siguro, and it is a tactic para again to regroup their team. And tingnan natin, this is a very crucial challenge na hiningi ng mga taga-Lupi.
Tama, and very good utilization, no? Kasi for the information of everyone, meron lamang isang head coach challenge sa kada laro ang mga team at ginamit nila ito sa very crucial play.
Tama ka dyan, partner, pero hindi nagtagumpay ang coaches challenge and ang bola mapupunta sa mga naka-blue na Nabua.
Tingnan natin. Wow, exciting kasi 31 seconds pa ito. Probably 2 possession pa ang mangyayari. Tingnan natin mga kaibigan. Sa mga may sakit sa puso, no, huwag kayong manood kasi baka bigla kayong tumumba.
Ayan na si Redondo. Inbounding. Disrupted ni Layosa. Gives the ball to Bernales. Bernales thinking 3. But he is well defended by Indanan. Ayan na si Bernales for 3. In and out. Rebound. Nakuha ni Orkin. Ayan na. San Juan spins. And grabe yung diving for the loose balls. And tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging hatol ng mga referees. Grabe, partner.
Grabe, partner. Yung kaninang tiyado at nag-aabol. No, kung maibibigay sa kanila yung bola, they have the chance to win this particular game. Napakagandang laro at bakbakan natin sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico.
Grabe, partner. Your partner, medyo sumasakit na aking lalamunan kasi sigaw sa ganda ng laro. And syempre, okay lang yan. But still, ito ang handog sa atin ng Ako Bicol Cup, Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, and syempre ng Ako Bicol Cup Party List, Ako Bicol Party List. Yung partner, medyo nawawala na ako sa focus dahil sa sobrang ganda ng laro natin ngayong gabi.
And this is a story to tell, no, through ages. Kasi kanina, no, grabe yung lamang ng Nabwa, and eventually in the last minute, nakahabol yung Team Lupi. Parang slam dunk partner, mga series sa mga anime basketball games. So tingnan natin if Lupi will take home the glory or will Nabwa just simply give them a taste of a deadlock on 68.
Ayan, partner. Nangangamoy overtime pero warak naman sana dahil wala na akong boses. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko pag nag-overtime pa. Ayan na. I guess it's a ball possession ng mga taga-Lupi.
Tingnan natin, this is called the golden ball for Team Lupi. They have to take care of this possession with all their might and with all their life as if their life depends on it.
Yes, and a partner, Indanan. Inbounding the ball, gives the ball to Layosa. Ayan na si Layosa. Guarded by Fulgar. Layosa. And he was fouled.
A very ill foul.
And I guess that is a foul na hindi pa naman sa penalty. The clock is 11.6 seconds remaining. Ayan na, Yaba. Gives the ball to Orkin. Orkin attacking with a floater. Misses the shot. Rebound de Velitario. Ayan na, Bernales. All alone is Redondo. But he was fouled in the act of shooting.
So Redondo will step into the line. And I think that was a good foul on the end of on the end and the side of Lupi kasi there was a mismatch on the height. So ipagdarasal na lang nila that Redondo will not make any points for this charity shot that will be awarded to him. So yan.
Yan nga, partner. Veteran Redondo will be tested sa ating charity stripe. Talaga tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging reaction ng Lupi crowd once Redondo enters the free throw line.
Yan. But regardless who win this game, Sir Jan, no, this is a game that we will be remembering for all our life. Kasi grabe yung hassle. No?
And partner, gladly kasama tayo doon sa mapag-uusapan sa isang magandang laro na hatid sa inyo siyempre ng Ako Bicol Party List and siyempre ni Congressman Saldico.
Thank you so much po for bringing this amazing ball game to the people of Camarines Sur.
Tingnan natin kung awardan ng 2 free throws si Redondo or it will just be an inbound. Pero tingnan natin with 3.3 seconds remaining, the score is 68. And grabe partner ang larong ito.
I think inbound partner ang i-award kasi nandun na ating referee.
Yan partner.
This is a blob play.
Yes, tingnan natin kung anong set play ibibigay. Ayan na si Bernales at the top of the key. Heavily guarded ni Layosa. Ayan na si Bernales. Redondo was stripped. Ayan na si Orkin with a Hail Mary shot! Oh my God!
For an overtime!
And we are now heading sa overtime, partner. Grabe, partner. What a sequence. What a game, partner.
Almost, but never enough. Yun yung pinakamasakit. But regardless, we have to commend Team Lupi for making that Hail Mary shot.
Mga dyan, partner, at the end of regulation, the score is 68 all. And now we are heading sa ating overtime.
Mukhang parang kahit matalo ang Lupi dito, uuwing masaya ang ating mga audience kasi pinakitaan sila ng magandang laro. But again, no, tingnan natin. No, napakaganda at napaka-exciting na ball game ang hatid sa atin ng Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Of course, pasalamatan din natin ang ating napaka-organized na multimedia team, ang IMBC. No, with of course our team, no, mga shooters nasa taas pa ng stage. And our sponsors, no, we have Besibis Bay, Cagraray Islands, The Highlands, Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. So sa mga nanonood po dito sa live, eto na tayo sa ating overtime. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina sa umpisa, a battle between well-balanced team, no, the defenders and the good team on the offense. So tingnan natin.
Ayun na nga, partner. We are now heading sa ating overtime with 68 all. Yun na, partner, walang kukurap. Yan ang labanan, Nabwa versus Lupi. Grabe, partner. This is a very match and exciting ball game for us. And Bernales swings the ball to Fulgar, fakes. Fulgar attacks, drops it up to Redondo. Medium range jumper, Mintes. Beron with the offensive rebound. Veletario using the glass for 2.
And I think Nabua will play it slowly, just like they did on the first 3 quarters of the game. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ni Lupi. From downtown! No good.
Again, yung walang kapagurang na si Orkin.
Eto na, nasa momentum na.
Grabbing those offensive rebounds and putting those fall-away jumpers for Team Lupi.
Bernales, bounce pass inside.
Ayan na, 3 against 1. Bounce pass Olayosa for 2!
Napakagandang plunder yon ni Orkin. Converting it to a 2 points by Layosa.
And now the lead is in Lupi side with 3 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Kapit mga kababayan.
Bernales to Fulgar. Back to Bernales from long range.
Bang!
What a sniper!
Grabe yung partner. Very calm and composed ang tirang yon na pinakita ng veteran na si Eric Jan Bernales.
Layosa now with the ball against Fulgar. Layosa trying to shake off his defender. Dancing, prancing, and he loses his guard, spins into the paint but heavily guarded with 5 seconds remaining. San Juan to Yaba. Yaba shoots a 2. No good, tips off by San Juan.
Grabe partner. Never say die attitude na pinapakita ng Lupi despite maliliit sila and they're clashing for those loose balls and 50-50 balls.
Grabing bakbakan ito, mga kaibigan. Ito na. Using all his might. Very desperate inside and outside the court. That's why there was a whistle.
Jesse Orkin.
Grabe partner. Ang laro nito. Doon lang lagi ko nasasabi, talagang grabe at very entertaining ang mga laro sa ating second round for sure. Abangan nila. Marami pang mga ganitong laro for sure.
Tama, kaya tune in na kayo. I-like at i-subscribe nyo na ang aming FB page at YouTube channel. Ito na, very professional. Veletario securing one shot despite the screams and the distracting audience.
Ayun na again, Lupi crowd is at Veletario. Veletario sinks 2 free throws.
And that's a tie. No, lamang pala ang nabuha ng 1 puntos.
Ayun na si Layosa. May pick galing kay San Juan. Layosa against Beron, nadulas. San Juan swings the ball to Fortun. Fortun fakes. Gives the ball to Inandan against Beron. A bad pass on the part of Indanan. Medyo nabitawan. Ayan na si Redondo. Bernales for pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound ni Fortun. Gives the ball to Layosa. Ayan na Layosa. Again. Was stripped by Bernales. 2 against 1. Bernales stops. Misses the shot pero then si Fortun nandyan to defend and grab those rebounds. Fortun was fouled. And grabe partner talaga ang pinapakitang hustle at never say die attitude ng mga Tagalupi.
And kanina kung nakita natin na Nabua was taking away several advantages dito sa ating overtime season na ang nakikita natin sa mga scores nila. And San Juan without a guard.
This types of situation dapat talaga hindi maaaring mga ganun ang walang mga bantay. And dapat every shot must be challenged sa sequence na ito.
Tama, you never give a sniper an open position.
Veletario momentarily loses the ball sa ilalim. Redondo with the offensive rebound and a putback. Ayan na, ang lamang ulit napunta sa Nabua with 76-77. Ayan na si San Juan against Veletario. Layosa gives the ball to Yaba. Yaba against Redondo. Yaba spins. What a crossover partner, but misses the shot. Sayang partner. Medyo nanggigil. At ayan na si Bernales again. Swings the ball to Beron. Open jumper. Misses the shot and Fulgar.
Fulgar was there. No, this is a sad news on Team Lupi.
Inandan is rushing against Beron. Inandan squeeze in. And he was fouled and will troop to the line for 2.
And yan, with that, Nabwa is now leading with 3 points against Team Lupi. And both teams are on the penalty line. So very crucial ang magiging utilization nila ng foul at ng oras for the remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds of this exciting matchup.
Yes, kumbaga, lahat ng mga free throw shooters ngayon talaga matitest because nga, ayan, yung pressure na binibigyan ng mga fans. And grabe, si Inandan, ang tagal binaba ng kamay. Calmly sinks the first one.
Tama, and kanina, no, the team of Nabwa, the fans of Nabwa was quiet, but they now acknowledges the threat of Team Lupi. That's why they are using their 6th man as well.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kita mo naman hanggang sa dulo ng ating bleachers may nanonood. Ayan na si Naandan. And sinks the free throw. Sabay turo and tuka sa fans ng mga taga Nabwa.
Tama, and that's how exciting our game is. We have a 1-point lead for Team Nabwa. Bernales still driving and generating the play for his team. Signaling for a play. Quick pass to the big man inside. Militario to Fulgar. Fulgar looking for someone. Buwak. Back to the outside and shoots. Bernales! No good. Good hustle on the side of Team Nabwa. Back to Bernales. Pump fakes. Shoots a 3! No good. Pero grabe ang offensive rebound.
Another rebound. Grabe, partner. Medyo sa case na yun, medyo sinuwerte. At talaga lahat ng mga loose balls, so 50-50 balls na punta sa Team Nabwa. And I guess Redondo will troop to the free throw line and will shoot 2.
And Redondo was showing good accuracy in the previous quarter. So tingnan natin dito sa overtime. Still!
Grabe, partner. Calmly sinks the first one. Walang kaaling-aling.
Tama, regardless of the exhaustion, no? The fatigue probably is experiencing and the pressure of this exciting ball game.
Yan, partner. Para sa kanyang second free throw, Redondo. Grabe, 2 for 2 on the part of Redondo. And I guess Team Lupi will call for a timeout.
Tama, because this is a very dangerous number. Nabwa having a 3-point advantage. So kailangan pagplanuhan ng maigi ng coaching staff at ng mga players ng Team Lupi kung ano yung gagawin nila with the remaining 36.9 seconds. Probably, no, if they will consume the time, this will be the last possession for both teams. Pero tingnan natin with the action. Are they going to utilize the fouls to stop the time? Are they going to attack and ask for a foul? No, may pa-end one? Or are they going to shoot long distances, no, dito sa natitirang segundo ng ating laro. So abangan natin, mga kaibigan. Brought to you by ako, Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico, ang napaka-exciting na Game 2 na Municipality of Lupi versus Municipality of Nabwa. Eto na, mukhang nag-e-extend sa ating bench ang ating mga players kasi very important ang final instruction na ibinibigay ng ating coaching staff sa larong ito. So for those who just tuned in, nasa overtime po tayo kasi after ng dominance na ipinakita ng Nabwa for most of the time of the game, humabol lang Lupi.
Yan na si San Juan. Pinugulo ni Militario. San Juan gives the ball to Yaba. Back to San Juan with a cross over. Pull-up jumper. And that was deflected. But this is a 3-point lead with 26 seconds remaining. And Bernales. Bernales was fouled. And
I think the team Lupi was not satisfied with the sequence there, but now the foul will be rewarded and shots will be rewarded to Bernales.
Yan na si Bernales, a very veteran point guard, and he will be tested. And misses the first one. Yun ang sinasabi natin, di pa tapos ang laro with just a 3-point lead with 18 seconds remaining sa ating overtime period. This is anybody's ball game pa.
So Lupi has to pray na hindi maisisink ni Bernales itong pangalawang tira. But yan, no, is a veteran shooter.
Yan na si Forton, nagmamadali against Bernal. Forton, sidestep, block. Nakuha ni Forton ang bola. And
that's
possession will go to Nabwa. Still manageable. But I guess, alam na ng mga fans, na and meron pa tayong review. At titingnan ng ating mga referees.
So this is the luxury of having IMBC, no, in this very well organized event. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na replay center, no, at par with our national leagues.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating mga referees. And yun na nga, it will go down to Nabwa's possession. And ayun na nga, partner, unti-unti nang umaalis sa ating game venue ang ibang fans ng mga Tagalupi. Pero syempre, hindi natin alam, wild things will happen sa ating liga. Kaya abangan natin, malay mo. And ayun na, Redondo was fouled by Fortune. Grabe, partner, yung composure at yung veteran presence na isang Redondo pag nasa laro ang mga ganito.
Tama. And we have to give kudos, no, to the Team Lupi kasi despite knowing this is insurmountable lead given the 6 seconds remaining, they still played, no, by using the most appropriate technique, you know, to foul the player to stop the time. But that first basket created by Redondo probably is the nail to the coffin of Team Lupi kasi that's a 5-point lead, no, an impossible score plus 1, no, a 6-point lead. An impossible score rather, for a comeback. So that ends our exciting ball game.
Yes, that, ladies and gentlemen, ends our game with a score of 78-84. Grabe, partner. What a wonderful ball game that we have kanina.
Tama. And sa mga hindi nakapanood during the fourth quarter, it was an opportunity for Lupi to take away this win, to snatch the win against Nabwa after a Hail Mary shot was taken but missed. So siguro this game is really intended to Nabwa. And balikan natin yung interview before the game started. Sabi ni Team Lupi, they are the underdogs, showing respect to Nabwa. So napakagandang laro ang ipinakita ng both teams. So this is a good game, well played for both of them.
Ayun na nga, partner, tama ka dyan. A good game talaga ang pinakita ng both teams. Ayun na, partner, as we take a look sa highlights ng ating laro kanina. A very good game, partner, para handog sa atin, syempre, ng Ako Bicol party list. And syempre, ni Congressman Saldico. And maraming salamat talaga sa lahat na nanood ng ating live game sa ating venue. And syempre, sa ating mga Facebook page, YouTube channel, maraming salamat sa suportang binibigay nyo sa aming liga.
Napakagandang bakbakan. Pasalamatin natin ang ating mga officiating officials sa larong ito. No, at ang ating municipal mayor for allowing us to conduct this game in this very good and environment, no, the Sipokot Municipal Covered Court. Salamat din sa ating mga sponsors. We have the Hotel St. Elias and Hotel Venetia, the Highline.
And yan na nga, partner, PCB's Bay. And maraming salamat talaga sa mga nanood sa ating game venue. And syempre, pasalamatan ko na rin, partner, ang ating butihing commissioner na si Lloyd Rivera. And very on hand, and ang kanyang kapatid na always present sa ating mga venues na si Ino Rivera. Maraming salamat, mga bossing.
And thank you, Sir Lloyd and Sir Ino, for your constant support to this league.
And syempre sa staff and crew ng IMBC headed by Sir Christian Calleja. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Salamat po ng marami. And shoutout ko na rin si Miss Russell and si Sir RJ. Magandang gabi sa iyo.
And shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So sa mga susunod na laban, abangan po natin ang ganito, no, kapanapanabik at nag-aatikabong bakbakan. Pati ako, nag-stutter na din. Medyo grabe yung binigay na intensity sa atin ng larong ngayon.
Yan mga partner, tama ka dyan. Nagsa-stutter na ako simula kanina. And ngayon feeling ko mawawala na ako ng boses. Pero it's okay. Basta para sa liga and para sa Ako Bicol Cup, 100% tayo dyan.
Tama, for the love of the game. So bukas po, abangan nyo po kami sa San Fernando for our 2 games. Again, this is still the quarterfinals of our Bigaten. The top 10 among the 36 teams of 5 districts who made it through after several games of elimination rounds.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And this is just not exciting talaga. May mga ganitong laro pa tayong aabangan for sure. Kaya talagang tutok lang and stay tuned sa aming mga Facebook pages, YouTube channel. Meron tayong TikTok pala, partner. Pwede nyo subscribe na pinapanood ng ating writer na si Iris na mahilig manood ng TikTok.
Yung mga sumasayaw
Sumasayaw.
na mga players. no, sa loob ng court. Yan.
Siyempre, batiin ko na rin talaga ang aking mga magulang na nanonood talaga. Sabi nila, di sila makapaniwala na ako daw yung nagsasalita. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Ma, Grace, Ray, aking mga anak, Juan Carlos, Franco Miguel. Magandang gabi ulit.
Yan, shoutout po sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Albay, sa Masbate. Hindi lang tayo napapanood sa Camarines Sur. Hindi lang sa buong Bicol, hindi lang sa buong Pilipinas, Sir Jan. At sa buong mundo pa rin. At it's sa inyo, of course, ng ating Facebook and YouTube Live.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang pagsuporta at panonood sa aming mga laro. Tama ka dyan, partner. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, mapapanood tayo. Yung may mga relatives na naglalaro talaga, they are very proud, cheering, sharing yung mga highlights na binawa or binigay ng kanyang mga relatives.
Tama, kaya thankful tayo sa IMBC, kay Congressman Saldico at kay Ako Bicol Party List para mapanood yung mga players natin dito out of the country. So yan, napagandang laro at bakbakan ng ipinakita natin, pinakita sa atin ng Nabua at Lupi. Inaantay na lang natin ng best player ng mga teams.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Inaantay natin best player. Marami tayong candidates sa Nabua kasi very evenly distributed yung scoring nila with the likes of Redondo. And syempre, uminit din si Eric John Bernales on the last part of the quarter. And marami pa tayong candidates. And yun na nga, partner, kumbaga, evenly distributed. Ayan na si Pulgar, attacking, strong to the basket.
And the no-look pass and an alley-oop.
Yan yung maraming no-look passes na pinapakita ng kailang steady and veteran presence ng point guard na si Eric John Bernal.
Kumbaga, sa tagal nilang maglaro ng basketball, they developed their peripheral vision. May mata na sa likod at sa kung saang parte man ng katawan. Napakagandang laruan ang ipinakita at kapanapanabik ang mga susunod pang laro ng ating quarterfinals.
And tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga abang lang kayo sa ating mga laro. Bukas, nasa San Fernando covered court tayo. Mayroon tayong laro doon. And syempre, yun na nga, partner, I would like to take this opportunity na pasalamatan ang ating mga bossing. And ayun na nga, partner, ako nga pala ulit si John Bachiller with my partner na si
Angelo Espinacilla.
And good evening, and balik na natin sa ating courtside reporter na si Jessa with our Kasurug best player of the ball game.
Well, thank you, Coach John and Coach Jalo. Now with me is the Kasurug player of the game. From Tiaman Nabua, jersey number 28, Dro Velitario with 18 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Congratulations once again for being our Kasurug player of the game. How does it feel? Nasulit ang biyahe nyo all the way from Rinconada District.
Sobrang saya po dahil kahit po malayo kami and nagawa pa rin namin yung dapat namin gawin. And nagpapasalamat po din po ako dahil sa coach namin, sa advice po sa amin.
Ayan, ever since talaga napakamahiyain na nitong si Dro. Aside from that, paano mo na-handle yung pressure nyo? At nagkaroon pa nga tayo ng overtime play.
Tibay lang po ng loob and sipag lang po. Sipag lang.
Ayan, pansin ko rin na masyadong konti yung supporters nyo dito sa ating venue. Pero nakikita ko din sa ating live stream na madaming nag-cheer sa Team Nabua. Gusto mo ba silang pasalamatan?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Lord and sa lahat po ng supporters namin sa Team Nabua po. Doon po sa amin, shoutout po sa Team Santo Domingo po and shoutout din po din sa city po namin, sa Kikaringay po. And yun lang po.
Ayan, congratulations once again to our Kasurug player of the game. Pakaabangan din po bukas ang game sa San Fernando covered court. At ang game nga po natin bukas is Del Gallego versus Iriga and San Fernando versus Camaligan. Kaya don't forget to hit that like and share button for non-stop updates. At live na live nyo po kaming mapapanood sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV, at Ako Bicol YouTube channel. In behalf of Representative Zaldico at Ako Bicol Party List, at sa aming Commissioner, Sir Lloyd Rivera, this is Jessamine Navales, your courtside reporter. Good night.
Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panahon.